Manual massage. Apply RF cream evenly. Body RF. Unclog channels, firm skin, and contour the body. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. Energy level, 30%. Mode, NOR. Glide the handle in small circular motions around the navel area. Glide the handle in big circular motions around the navel area. Move the handle up and down on the waist. Lift the belt vessel on both sides. Lift the belt vessel on both sides with the handle and your hand. Wipe the treatment area with a towel and apply gel evenly. 40K. Clear channels and refine body contours. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. Energy level, 30%. Mode, default. Glide the handle in small circular motions around the navel area. Glide the handle in big circular motions around the navel area. Move the handle up and down on the waist. Lift the belt vessel on both sides. Lift the belt vessel on both sides with the handle and your hand. Wipe the treatment area with a towel and apply essential oil. Body vacuum and RF. Dampness expulsion, detoxification, skin firming, and body shaping. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. RF energy level, 30%. RF mode, NOR. Suction settings. Mode, M1. Suction duration, 0.5. Release duration, 0.2. The suction duration should exceed the release time. Adjust the suction intensity based on individual tolerance levels. Glide the handle in small circular motions around the navel area. Glide the handle in big circular motions around the navel area. Move the handle up and down on the waist. Lift the belt vessel on both sides. Lift the belt vessel on both sides with the handle and your hand. Wipe the treatment area with a towel. Cooling head, non-invasive lipolysis through cooling technology. Settings. Time, 30 minutes. Temperature, 4 degrees Celsius. Suction intensity, set the suction intensity based on individual tolerance. The application of anti-freezing membrane is necessary. Apply the treatment head on the skin through the anti-freezing membrane to avoid frostbite. Apply the cooling handle to the target area. Allow it to work for 30 minutes, then remove the handle. Wipe the treatment area with a towel.